Recent research suggests a strong connection between gut and skin health. The gut and the skin are both organs of elimination, and they are also closely linked through the immune system and the microbiome. The microbiome is the collection of microorganisms that live in and on the human body, and it plays an important role in maintaining overall health. When the balance of bacteria in the gut is disrupted, it can lead to inflammation and a host of health issues, including skin problems such as acne, rosacea, and eczema. Hi everyone, welcome back to Chung channel. This is Angela Chung. Today our topic is beautiful skin and gut health. Studies have shown that people with certain skin conditions have different gut microbiome than those with healthy skin. For example, individuals with acne tend to have lower level of beneficial bacteria and higher level of harmful bacteria in their gut. Similarly, people with eczema have been found to have an imbalance of gut bacteria that may contribute to the development of the condition. There are several reasons why gut health is closely linked to the skin health. Number one, the gut and skin are both involved in eliminating toxins from the body. When the gut is not functioning properly, toxic can build up in the body and can be expelled through the skin, leading to different skin conditions. Number two, about 70% of the body's immune cells are located in the gut, and the gut microbiome play an important role in regulating immune function. When the gut microbiome is disrupted, it can lead to inflammation and immune dysfunction, contributing to skin problems. Number three, the gut microbiome can influence the composition of the skin microbiome, which is the collection of microorganisms that live on the skin. Changes in the gut microbiome can lead to changes in the skin microbiome, which can contribute to skin problems. Number four, there is a complex relationship between the gut, the brain, and the skin, known as the gut brain skin axis. Changes in gut function can lead to changes in brain function, which can, in turn, affect the skin. For example, stress and anxiety can disrupt gut function, leading to skin problems such as acne. Number five, the gut is responsible for absorbing nutrition from food. And when the gut is not functioning properly, it can lead to nutrition deficiency. Nutrition deficiency can affect skin health, as many nutrition are essential for skin health and repair. Improving gut health can help to improve skin health. Here are some ways to improve gut health for better skin health. Eating a diet rich in fiber, fruit and vegetable, and fermented food can help to promote a healthy gut microbiome. Avoiding processed food and sugar can also help to reduce inflammation and support a healthy microbiome. Probiotic alive microorganisms that can help improve the bacteria balance in the gut. Probiotic rich foods include yogurt, kiva, kimchi, and carpaccio. Prebiotic, a non-digestive fiber that stimulate the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. Prebiotic rich food include onion, garlic, leek, asparagus, and banana. Stress can disrupt gut function, so reducing stress through meditation, yoga, or deep breathing can help improve gut health. Sleep is important for overall health, including gut and skin health. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Drinking enough water can help support healthy digestion and prevent constipation, contributing to skin problems. The gut skin connection is complex and multifaceted, and there are several medical reasons why gut health is closely linked to skin health. Maintaining a healthy gut microbiome through diet and lifestyle change may improve skin health and prevent skin problems. Let's talk about what is prebiotic. I mentioned about prebiotic can improve our gut health in the previous video. A prebiotic is a type of dietary fiber that serves as food for beneficial bacteria in the gut. Prebiotics are typically found in fruit, vegetable, and whole grains. Common prebiotic examples include inulin, fructooligosaccharides, and galactooligosaccharides. These compounds are not broken down by the digestive enzyme in the small intestine, but pass through to the large intestine where gut bacteria fermentate them. The fermentation of prebiotics produces short-chain fatty acids, which provide energy to the cell lining the colon and have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effect. Prebiotic has been linked to numerous health benefits, including improved digestion, stronger immunity, and better mental health. They can help to prevent the growth of harmful bacteria in the gut. Does any natural food contain prebiotic? Yes, many natural foods contain prebiotic. Here are some examples. Chicory root is one of the richest sources of inulin, a prebiotic fiber. Jerusalem artichoke, also known as sunchoke, is a good source of inulin. Garlic, onion, and leek contain fructooligosaccharides, a type of prebiotic that promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. Asparagus is a good source of inulin and other prebiotic fibers. Banana contain a type of prebiotic fiber called resistant starch. Apples are a good source of pectin, a prebiotic fiber that can promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Flaxseed are a good source of lignans, which can act as prebiotic in the gut. Oat, a good source of beta-glucans, a prebiotic fiber that can promote beneficial gut bacterial growth. Eating a diverse range of whole and processed food can be a great way to support the health of your gut microbiome. Try including different types of fruit, vegetable, whole grain, nut, seed, and legume in your diet, as these foods contain a wide range of nutrition that can support the beneficial bacteria in your gut. Additionally, limiting your intake of processed food is important, which can disrupt the balance of your gut microbiome and contribute to inflammation and other health issues. By making small changes to your diet and focusing on whole, natural food, you can take important steps to support your overall health and well-being. Thank you for watching my video. Please give me a like if you learned something about skin health and prebiotic. And please share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to sign up to my e-magazine Smart Mind Smart Gut. I have a link attached below. If you want to learn more about bicycling coordinates, you can visit to my website, Pacific Vista Telehealth, and I have the link attached also. Don't forget to comment or email me to oichungchannel@gmail.com for any future topic that you are interested. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.